Ọlọ́run ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ó ti padà gbàdúrà ọmọ Yorùbá. Onílẹ̀ Yorùbá ẹ kú àìsàn ẹ kú àìwò. God of Yorùbá land, mo hail o, because èèyàn tó bá rí bí Ọlọ́run ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ṣe ń jà on our behalf, wàá mọ̀ wípé Ọlọ́run ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ń bẹ. Àwọn ọmọ Yíbò náà gbìyànjú lóòótọ́ láti bà wá lórúkọ jẹ́, láti sọ wá lórúkọ tí kìí ṣe títí wa. Nígbà tá fún wọn ní àyè tán, tá fún wọn ní láìfù tán, wọ́n wá mú ìka tó fìdí wọn, wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní irun jẹ. Wàá ti gbọ́ lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin àwọn àti Ghanaian. Mo fẹ́ sáré gbé débẹ̀ kọ́rọ̀ yẹn kó lè yé dáadáa ni. Ṣé o mọ̀ wípé ní àwọn Ghana sí wọ́n ti ní pé kán kúrò ńbẹ̀ nígbà tí wọ́n àṣírí tú wípé wọ́n fẹ́ take over Ghana ni. Wọ́n bá pé bíríkó tán náà bá ní Yorùbá tó wà ní Ghana, àwọn Yorùbá Ghana, àwọn náà lọ engineer kìíní yẹn, náà bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ wàhálà bóyá ò tí ì fetí gbọ́ pé wọ́n ti ń gbógun ti Yorùbá. Ṣùgbọ́n àṣírí ti tú. Láti Ghana ni wọ́n ti pè mí mi nílé play ohun yẹn, ṣùgbọ́n tó bá gbà mí gbọ́ torí mo ti promise ẹni yẹn pé mi ní play voice ẹ̀. Àwọn ọmọ Yíbò fúnra lára wọn tán jọ jẹ́ ọmọ Yíbò pọ́nbélé tán jọ wà ní Ghana, àwọn náà lọ tú àṣírí ẹ̀ àti gbogbo plan tó ti ní sílẹ̀ láti take over ní Ghana. Gbogbo wọn àwọn yẹn ni wọ́n lọ tú àṣírí wọn fáwọn ọmọ Ghana àti ìjọba Ghana. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo sọ fún ẹ kò sọ̀rọ̀ kékeré o, lálálùkùtùkù wu o, iná yẹn ṣì ń ràn lọ. Lóòótọ́ ni Bianca, the wife of late Ojukwu, tó jẹ́ minister for foreign kí ló jẹ yẹn gan-an, ó ṣàtẹ́lọ́bẹ̀ on their behalf. But still àwọn ọmọ Ghana sọ wípé bí gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì kan tó bá wu gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì wọn ni kó dá lára kó kan àwọn ò fẹ́ rí wọn. Wọ́n ní láti deport bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn. Wọ́n dẹ̀ ní bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn ò tí ì lò ju 20 years àbí 21 years ní Ghana. Torí kó lè torí evil plan tí wọ́n ní ó lọ fẹ́ ọmọ Ghana. Ó da Russian ọmọ 5 náà ní lady yẹn ló ti bí fún àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Ìyẹn nìkan mà kọ́ bàbá wa Rájí Fashola, ojúlówó ọmọkọ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá, undiluted one, wọ́n ti ṣe bẹbẹ lórí bẹbẹ. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ fún yín, wọ́n ní àwọn ọmọ Yíbò wọ́n ti fohùn ránṣẹ́ sáwọn ọmọ Yíbò. Wọ́n ní ṣé street name nìkan la ṣe ń ṣèǹjì, ṣé bus stop name nìkan la ṣe ń ṣèǹjì. Ẹ tí ì rí nǹkankan, ẹ ò tí ì rí nǹkankan, ẹ tí ì rí nǹkankan, lè rí nǹkankan. Ọlọ́run wá wo fídíò ìkọ́rọ̀ mi léyìí.
10 Igbo man is equivalent to 1,000 Yoruba men. Carry 1,000 Yoruba men, put for desert, come back in the next 10 years, that place still be desert. But carry 10 Igbo men, put for desert, come back in the next 5 years, they go turn that desert to Dubai.
No lazy man in Igbo land. But there's lazy man in other tribes in the Nigeria. Average Igbo man looks like what he will eat.
Igbo man not the hustle, and Igbo man the hustle, man. Igbo man not the hustle, and Igbo man the hustle. Igbo man not the hustle, and Igbo man the hustle.
If they leave Akwa Ibom people to live in this Akwa Ibom, only them, they can do anything. They can do anything of their own without the Igbos. If they leave Akwa Ibom people to live in this Akwa Ibom, only them, they can do anything. They can do anything of their own without the Igbos. Okay. So that is how it is generally.
Useless they do youth. The stupid they do youth. The uncircumcised they do youth. They do youth to the very useless, including their Oba.
And take the report. Yeah. You will see that 80% are Nigerians and they are all Igbos. There's no Yoruba man. There is no Fulani Hausa man. Yeah. Go and look at the murder cases where people have murdered people with heads, holding heads and other things. They are 99% is Igbos. Igbos. Go and look for armed robbery. Where people will stop cars. They are all over the whole country. They are in every part of Ghana. Selling spare parts, bicycles, phones, and they are a serious threat to our society and our sovereignty. They are the ones doing the armed robberies. Yeah. They are the ones doing the prostitution. Now you are comfortable allowing such a man, even telling him that you have... Look, diplomatic ties does not mean that you should be foolish.
No.
Huh? Diplomatic ties doesn't mean you should be foolish and sell out your country. This is the only country we have, Ghana. When you go out there in foreign land, don't you behave like a gentleman? All of you ministers, when you go to your counterparts' countries, or you travel abroad, do you even rub your shoulders like this? You walk like this. And somebody is in your country walking like this. And you are comfortable with that person against your own people.
Ṣé gbọ́rọ̀ lẹ́nu wọn? Wọ́n ètì ẹ̀yà Yorùbá bí nǹkan míì. Ṣùgbọ́n àsìkò tán máa mọ̀ wípé Ọlọ́run ilẹ̀ Yorùbá kò sùn. The God of Yoruba land is not asleep and is fighting our battle. na Yoruba say make dem no give them entry for Pakistan? Na Yoruba people go Ghana, make dem say make dem dey chase them? Na Yoruba people go Asia, say make dem chase them? Na Yoruba people go Edo, make dem chase them? All over the world, they chase them away. Nobody, no tribe, no reasonable tribe now, where they this world, where they want relate with Igbo people. Either they are women or they are men. Because of their bad attitude. But upon all this bad thing where they happen to them, instead of them to they call themselves, oh, talk true. Make them yarn themselves sense. Everything a Yoruba concern. We don't know which kind of market Yoruba buy for Igbo hand. Where we no pay. Abenyo Amagba Gbogbo ṣe insult wa, ṣáwa ni Genesis problem ayé wọn. Kede ma wá gbọ́ bí mo ṣe ṣe àlàyé yẹn lọ ká tó bọ́ sórí bàbá mi Raji Fashola. Ara àwọn tó jẹ́ ọmọ Igbo kan náà, àwọn ni wọ́n tú àṣírí yẹn tó jẹ́ business partner. Òun náà lọ tú àṣírí bọ̀bọ́ yẹn Ezendi Igbo Ghana yẹn. Wọ́n ló tún máa ń ṣe 19 tó máa ń fún ní àwọn máa ń ṣe àkáǹtì tó máa fi ń wọ́ owó jáde. Wọ́n ló tún máa mú owó wọn á tún kó pamọ́. Níbi tó ṣe dé, àwọn ló mà ti rinlẹ̀ do gan ma ní. Wọ́n ní Imo state governor wọ́n ti wá kí gbogbo àwọn èèyàn kankankankankan tó wà nílẹ̀ Igbo bó tó mànà bro gbogbo wọn náà máa lọ bá ń bẹ̀. Gbogbo àwọn àṣírí yẹn náà ló ti jáde. Àwọn ọmọ Igbo ẹgbẹ́ ni wọ́n lọ tú àṣírí yẹn. Ó wá fẹ́ ọmọ Ghana bẹ̀. Ọmọ 5 ni Ghana yẹn bí fún. Lára àwọn ọmọ tó wá bí fún yẹn tó ti dàgbà ti mú ọmọ yẹn wọ inú politics. Kò sí gbogbo past governor or president ní Ghana láti ìgbà tó ti débẹ̀ tí ò kì í fà mára. In fact, wọ́n jọ ń rúlù ní Ghana ni káṣírí eléyìí kó tó wá tú. Àwọn ọmọ Igbo ẹgbẹ́ àwọn ganan lọ táṣírí nísìn àwọn evil plan gbogbo bó ṣe lọ fẹ́ ọmọ Ghana ipe kó lè láti pàṣẹ ìyẹn ṣe mọ̀ pé àlọ́ ti fẹ́ ọmọ Ghana automatic òun ti di ọmọ onílẹ̀ ọmọ ẹ̀ ó ti jù sínú politics ní Ghana automatically ṣe mọ̀ pé òun ló wà ńbẹ̀ kẹ́ lè mọ̀ tá bá ń ṣàlàyé nǹkan fún yín wípé ìwọ ọmọ Yorùbá tó jẹ́ ojúlówó ọmọ ọkọ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá tó bá fẹ́ wọn láya tó fẹ́ wọn lọ́kọ òfinúfídọ̀ fẹ́ wọn ni àwọn òfinúfídọ̀ fẹ́ wọ́n máa náwó fún ẹ kọ́kọ́ máa ń ṣọ̀kan máa spoil ẹ my dear they have their hidden agenda kò wá ṣe fún ilẹ̀ Yorùbá nìkan all over the world ìdí ni wípé wọ́n rí wípé Ọlọ́run gba ilẹ̀ fún ọmọ Yorùbá gan àwa là mọ̀ ìyá ara wa náà orílẹ̀-èdè mélòó ló wà láyé tó ti rí pé wọ́n proclaim ọmọ Yorùbá tá a gbilẹ̀ ń bẹ̀ ọ̀run ló sì gba ibẹ̀ fún wa kì í ṣe wípé alọ́njà bíi titi wọn wọ́n ṣàfẹ́ everything about Yorùbá náà fẹ́ máa fi compete òun làwọn náà fẹ́ máa ṣe káàkiri all over the world ṣùgbọ́n Onile ò gbà fún wọn. Níbi tó wá dé dúró nísìn bàbá tíátíá ojúlówó ọmọkọ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá kí n tó wá sọ tí bàbá mi Raji Fashola ń ṣe mo fẹ́ bi ẹ́ nísìn wípé ṣé ìkan lára àwa ojúlówó ọmọkọ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ni ẹ́ question ni tó bá jẹ́ pé lóòótọ́ ni ó yá bá mi kọ síbi comment section má jẹ́ kójú tiẹ̀ jẹ́ kí wọ́n mọ̀ pé ó wà lára àwọn ọmọ ojúlówó ilẹ̀ Yorùbá gbogbo nǹkan tó bá máa gbàlájọ máa fún láti protect ilẹ̀ bàbá wa àti race wa ṣùgbọ́n ṣé ọmọ àlè ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ni ẹ́ apákan ẹ̀fọn apákan sùn akótilétà àárín wa ni ẹ́ tó ń gbàbọ̀dẹ̀ ara ìta wọnú ilé ó sì lè kọ́ náà síbi comment section ìwọ tó bá ti jọ́ máa lè lò nílé kọ́ comment kó fi ra èèyàn gàn pé ọmọ Yorùbá ni ẹ́ torí ẹ̀yà tí gbogbo ẹ̀yà tó wà nínú ayé tí wọ́n fẹ́ belong sí tó fẹ́ dàbí tiwọn everything about Yorùbá from head to toe òun ni gbogbo ẹ̀yà tó kù láyé ni wọ́n fẹ́ ní ṣùgbọ́n Ọlọ́run ó dá wa jura wa lọ sẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ wá gbọ́ nǹkan tí bàbá wa Raji Fashola sọ wọ́n ní we will not only rename street but also take over all the land. Yes, having a shop or any property in a Lagos state doesn't make you the ownership of it, even if you pay millions or billions. C of O can be revoked at any time by me Fash. Àwọn náà sọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Òun ló ti gbọ́ yẹn kò jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ ní kíni. Bó kó fi billions of naira kó fi ra ilẹ̀ kó fi kọ́ ilé kó ní business gigantic kó jẹ́ pé ìwọ ló ní gbogbo business ilẹ̀ Lagos state kò fún ẹ ní guarantee pé o belong sí ilẹ̀ Yorùbá that you are part of Yorùbá you will never be. Ṣebí ní Yorùbá by Godtree Yorùbá ronú we love that name I keep telling you. Now for you to know that it is not about Yorùbá land these people are trying to frustrate people. Wá tún gbọ́ nǹkan tí àwọn Buba Galadima ó tún fi ohùn ránṣẹ́ sí àwọn ọmọ Igbo ní north lọ́hùn ó ní look we can wake up one day and tell the Igbos to leave the north and they will leave without taking a pin. This is not south or west that they can disrespect without paying a heavy price. Àwọn northern náà ti dìde báyìí wọ́n ti fárígá mọ́ wọn lọ́wọ́ o. Wọ́n ní at any time àwọn northern leaders and elder náà lè ṣe sí gbogbo ọmọ Yíbò dànù. Tí ẹ̀dẹ̀ ní mú ṣe ń gbá dání. Wọ́n ní kò ń ṣe ilẹ̀ Yorùbá àbí ọ̀dọ̀ wọn tó jẹ́ wípé wọ́n kàn máa disrespect everybody tán bá ti rí tán dẹ̀ rí pé wọ́n ní pay price yẹn. Buba Galadima ló sọ fún wọn. Kò tí ì tán síbẹ̀ o, àwọn Arewa youth leader wọ́n ti fohùn síta lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà nílẹ̀ náà ni. Àwọn ganan tó wá jẹ́ kí nǹkan tí kò yé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ kó wáyé wa báyìí. Òun ló ń wò lójú screen ẹ yẹn. Ṣé o mọ mini náírà? Full mini náírà. Àwọn Arewa youth leader wọ́n ti fún wa ní full mini náírà. Èmi ò mọ̀. Do you know Nigeria currency naira actually means never allow Igbo rule again? Therefore, Peter Obi should agree to deputize Atiku or Tinubu should continue. If you see that, they will tell you, now we they build everywhere. Shebi you they hear them now say, Yoruba people, how we are. Wọ́n tún bú àwọn Ghana náà. Wọ́n tún bú àwọn Edo náà. Ẹjọ́, ẹ̀yàwó gan ni Igbo fẹ́ bá ṣe. Gbogbo ẹ̀yà ni Igbo máa ń bá jà láyé wọn. Àwọn nìkan not good. Bó ṣe not good tó yẹn. Wá bá mi wo fídíò yìí.
And for those of una where they insult Hausa people say na beggars, una see say Igbo people don't join and they don't advance the business. Let's appreciate the Igbo community. Because the same me here, I don't talk many times, say Hausa people, now then they lead for begging. I never talk here. Say if they want to do election for president of beggars, say na Northerner go come president. I say na Northerner go be vice president. I say na Northerner go be organizing secretary. I say the only position where Igbo people person go carry na treasurer because money dey inside. Wetin be your name?
My name is Ngozi Onukwa.
Ngozi Onukwa. Which state you from?
Imo State.
Imo State. Which local government?
Mbitoli Kedu.
Which village?
Alenyogwa.
Which family? Which kind of work you dey do?
Only beg, now they beg.
You dey beg for 5 years.
I need a thief best speaking.
Okay. So this speaking way dey your hand, how you take get am?
Na person I give me my mother, my grandmother, I give me the mother, I give me the pikin.
Where then dey?
Then they village.
Which village?
Uguta.
Ukuta. Madam, wetin be your name?
My name is Chidema Onukwa.
Chidema.
Onukwa.
Which state you from?
From Imo State.
Which local government?
Mbitoli local government.
Which village?
Alenyogwa.
Alenyogwa. So, tell us your own side of the story.
Okay. This boy, na me carry am.
Which boy?
This one.
Now you carry am?
Yes, from their village.
Hey, when I go give them food. Give them food.
From their village, Uguta local government, Awara. So I carry am from my grandmother hand. Na through in grandmother carry am. So na the same bag.
Where in mother dey?
I don't know where in mother dey, but this boy I collect am through in grandmother.
So wetin you dey use the boy do?
I dey carry am dey go beg.
How una dey beg?
With a close eye, I dey hold am.
How many children you don use for this business?
Only 2.
Huh? Speak loud.
My name is Ike Lobichama.
From where, please?
From Olu.
Olu where?
Huh? I'm from Imo.
Imo State?
Imo State, yes.
Olu
yes.
Town from Imo State?
Yes.
How long have you been in Ghana?
Just getting to 1 month now.
What is your name?
My name is Fashola Binutan.
Divine?
Yes.
How old are you?
I'm 16 years.
16 years, my God. How long have you been in Ghana?
To the 7th of this month will make me 2 months.
2 months. You are from Imo State?
Yes.
What is your name?
My name is Odrupe Olebimi. I'm from Imo State. That was south.
Sorry.
That was south.
Sorry. You will be fine in Jesus' name. God will take care of you, my children. What is your name, sister?
My name is Sele. I'm from Plateau State.
Oh, mommy. How old are you?
I'm 18 years.
How long have you been in Ghana?
7th of this month will make me 2 months.
Oh.
My name is Odrupe Olebimi. My name is Odrupe Olebimi.
Where are you from?
Imo State.
Imo State. How old are you?
16 years.
16 years. Stand up, let me see you.
My brother, this 1, 2, 3, they are the same mother, the same father.
3 of you are from the same mother.
The same father.
The same father. Have you spoken to your parents? Where are your phones? You're taking all your phones. Who brought you to Ghana?
We Igbo people, they feed Yoruba. Now we they feed the Hausa and Fulani. Now we they feed the Edo people. They not feel work now. Yoruba they lazy now. They not no more than to they do party. Leave us like that. We love it. As soon as they claim am every time, say now you they build the whole world, any country when una reside. Now you build that country no they exist. Till una go there. But how come Igbo people can build every other country, but has refused to build their own land? Is it not a curse? It is a big curse on you guys. The time don't reach where Igbo people go begin the shame. Shame not the shame, una. Ojo mi mo fe yan mo Igbo. Una the shame. Igbo people shame. They shame everybody. Una go think say una go dey insult other people's tribe. Everybody go keep short. Èmi ò sí lára àwọn ọmọ àlè àárín wa tó máa lè kan máa bú ìyá máa bú bàbá mi tá máa sọ pé òun ò tí kò ti kú. Ọmọ Yíbò tó jẹ́ pé ìpaná fi ń jí àwọn òbí wọn lórí ẹni lórí bẹ́ẹ̀dì. Àwa fìkúnlẹ̀ gé ni ẹ káàárọ̀ bàbá mi ẹ káàárọ̀ ìyá mi ẹni wọn ní respect wọn láǹkú rí anywhere they reach like this. Wọ́n gbogbo tukutukutukutuku business wọ́n withdraw ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn kí wọ́n tó débẹ̀ wọ́n make sure pọ́n systematically wọ́n wọlé sí yẹn lára wọ́n gbà lọ́wọ́ yín they will render you useless. Tó bá ti wá render yín useless tán tẹ́ ẹ̀rí ìkọ̀kọ̀ ṣe tán gba gbogbo ẹ̀ tán àwọn náà tó máa dance palongo on top of your head. Igbo people go begin dey dance palongo on top of your head. They know as they dance that palongo the thing dey pain you. And you go dey endure the day where you go just open mouth like this say this una dance they give me headache abeg me una calm down. That day Igbo people go begin dey cry. See now that they shit us yo. Na jeje we dey dance our dance yo. Where you go dey chase us now? Now we get the head. Or if not because we dey dance palongo on top of their head now, the head for don comot since yo. That is Igbo for you. That is Igbo for you, and they no get any better business. So you they see all this the kind of business where they do. Igbo don't turn to Alimajiri, so they pack all their children come up for southeast. You sure say people remain for that southeast? All of them don't travel go. Then begin they pack their children, they carry them, transport them go north. Don't go they do Alimajiri with the things and another and they do Alimajiri. Ashama Igbo only business Alimajiri. So Igbo people don't hijack Alimajiri business. I say on a shame, no they shame me again. Una shame no dey shame me again. So tell una come carry Alimajiri business. Una hijack for Fulani and Hausa hand. Una come add am to una business. I give up on you guys. Now so they still carry their children. Maybe you dey hear am for the video now. Then transport their children 15 years, 16 years, carry them go Ghana. Go they do prostitution. No wonder the Ghanaian people say make them carry their wahala go. They no want see them again. Ba ibẹ̀ ni kọ́kọ́ là ń lọ. Ṣó ti gbọ́? Wọ́n ti ní ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ bá wà ní Lagos State ó ti di woro sí woro ni o. Wọ́n ní ká ṣe kí ni wọ́n ní ká park out o. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà ní Lekki torí heavy rain bọ̀ kó mi má gbé yín lọ. Ìwọ tó bá dẹ̀ wá takú síbẹ̀ tó ṣagídí ẹni rẹ̀ lọ nìyẹn o. Ìyẹn ni kọ́kọ́ o. Ṣòde tún ti gbọ́ náà wípé Lagos State government wọ́n ti list about 176 estates ní Lagos State tí wọ́n ti wọ́n dẹ̀ fún wọn ní gbogbo àwọn company tó ní àwọn estate yẹn tó ti ra property ń bẹ àbílẹ̀ tó ti kọ́ àbí tó ti kọ́ tó ti ń gbé bẹ̀ wọ́n fún wọn ní 21 days ultimatum tí wọ́n bá wá kán wá ṣàlàyé property ẹ̀ lọ nìyẹn o property ẹ̀ lọ nìyẹn tó ti rí bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Lagos government urged Lekki Ikorodu Ajegunle residents to relocate immediately. The Lagos state government has issued an urgent warning to residents in flood-prone areas of Lekki, Ikorodu, and Ajegunle, advising them to move to higher ground as heavy rainfall continues to batter the state. Those around the agility axis of Lagos, that is Ajegunle, they have to move, Wahab said. Those along the coastal line in Ikorodu, such as Majidun, also need to move. Some part of the Lekki corridor too. Not all are affected. Hey. The The warning comes after widespread flood left many parts of Lagos underwater following torrential rainfall that began Sunday night and continued through Monday. Lọ́rọ̀ kan ṣá, gbogbo eré ẹ̀bí tí wọ́n sọ yìí, wọ́n lẹ́yìn tẹ́ bá ń gbé ń bẹ̀. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run. Ẹ ṣe kí ni? Ẹ ṣe kí ni? Wọ́n ní ẹ fàmúùs. Ìwọ tó ń gbé ní Majidu tẹ́ ń gbé lónà omi. Kómi tó rù yín lọ́rọ̀ mo mọ̀ wẹ̀kọ́ leléyìí omi dá mi mọ̀. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń gbé ní Kòròdú. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń gbé ní JJ Jagas, Ajégúnlẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń gbé ní Lẹ́kí. Wọ́n ní ẹ kúrò. Orúkọ tèmi ò yí padà, Yèyé Dára Kowé ni mò ń jẹ́. Má gbàgbé láti bá mi pín fídíò yìí káàkiri. Energy táwọn ọmọ Yíbò fi sí ọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá láti gbógun tiwa. Tí ìwọ náà bá wa share ilé, kò sí nǹkan tó bad. Mo tún béèrè lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí, ṣé lára ọmọkọ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ni ẹ́ àbí ìdàkejì? Tó bá wá jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀, tó bá jẹ́ lára ọmọkọ, ìwọ náà bá mi share fídíò yìí, wá sì drop comment. Má gbàgbé láti bá mi like. Orúkọ tèmi ò yí padà, Yèyé Dára Kowé. Kókókó ni mò ń jẹ́.